First one I said that, yes, tell me. Nudation. Second one माइग्रेशन. थर्ड वन इकेसिस. अब यहां पर इकेसिस हो गया. अब इकेसिस देयर आफ्टर कंपटीशन कम्स. व्हाट कम्स? कंपटीशन, रिएक्शन. और कंपटीशन में हुआ स्पेस और उसके लाइट की वजह से, और उसमें से जो सबसे बेस्ट ऑटोजेनिक फेजेस में निकल कर आया न्यू स्पेसिस, द रिएक्शन, एंड फाइनली वी हैव बीन एबल टू से द क्लाइमेक्स phase means stabilization. Understood? So which are the 6 phases for ecological succession? Nudation, migration, ekesis. Nudation, migration, ekesis. Ekesis, first 3 phase for growth. Next 3 phase for what is leading to the climax? Competition, reaction, stabilization. याद हो गए? Competition, reaction and stabilization. Who has given this concept? F.E. Clement. Understood it? Next one is, अभी हम लोगों ने आज क्या क्या किया? What we have done till now? First we have started with keystone species. And what is the keystone species? Is one of the important species on which a system survives. And if it finishes, then the whole system can get affected. And then I said that it is causing ripple effect on the what, and very large effect in the ecosystem. After that keystone species, I have gone for which one? Stages of ecosystem, stages of development. And then first stage is early succession. Second stage is, I said that mature, then mixed, and then inert. Early succession, mature, mixed and inert. Early succession आपको समझ में आ चुका है. It is an earlier, and then matured में we have been able to see, and then mixed and then inert. उसके बाद देखा था ecology, ecosystem based on stability. One, it is in a complex stable, and another is, I said that, simple stable. And then we have gone for, yes, principles of ecology. और अभी अभी हमने क्या बोला था? अभी अभी क्या हुआ? स्पेसिस म्यूटेशन किया, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन एंड इवोल्यूशन. सो एडेप्टेशन, वेरिएशन, स्पेशिएशन. अंडरस्टूड? एंड देन वी हैव सीन म्यूटेशन, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन एंड इवोल्यूशन. इवोल्यूशन का डेफिनेशन हमने जब वेरिएशंस की बात कर रहे थे, स्पेशिएशन, दैट टाइम आई हैव सेड evolution also. Speciation is a kind of what? It is the process through which new species is formed, and evolution is the mechanism through which new speciation come into existence or new species formed. Understood it? And then we have gone through, after this principles of ecology, we have seen, क्या हमने देखा? और म्यूटेशन को हम लोग और क्या कहते हैं? रिकॉम्बिनेशन. यू मस्ट बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इट इज एन कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डिफरेंट, जिसको जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग भी कहते हैं, जिसको रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए, रिकॉम्बिनेंट जेनेटिक स्ट्रक्चर रिकॉम्बिनेशन के लिए बात करते हैं आप. आरडीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी, इसको जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग कहा जाता है. दैट इज जब 2 जीन्स को आप मिलाते हैं, थोड़ी सी चेंजेस करते हो, that is an error in the replication of actual rice. The rice को मुझे, if I have to make rice to be what is with the protein, rice doesn't have the protein, but we have to make the proteinized rice. So I'll take the what is protein DNA of pulse, and इसको किसके साथ recombine करेंगे? With the rice DNA. That is a recombinant DNA technology, that is genetic. So I said that it is therefore mutation is also recombination, जिसमें mutation में आप लोग क्या देखते हैं? During the fertilization and meiosis process between the 2 species it happens. And then after principles of ecology we have seen yes, primary succession, in which pioneer community, serial community and climax community. And thereafter primary succession, secondary succession, and then we have been able to see what is the difference between them, and autogenic succession and then allogenic. Autogenic में plants, vegetation itself they are the cause, and allogenic succession में who is the cause? Natural factors. Understood? And then we have seen, उसके बाद हम लोग ये किया था ना, and this is an F.E. Clements, and then F.E. Clement has given then 6 phases of what ecological succession and this theory, in which I said that first one is the nudation, Then second one is in a propagation of plant means migration, and then establishment and the initial growth, echesis, and then फिर we started moving toward the climax, and that is I said competition, reaction, and stabilization. Understood it? Just we have to understand ecosystem stability. जो आप लोगों ने पहले देखा था, perhaps remember, इकोसिस्टम स्टेबिलिटी में सबसे ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी कौन रहेगा? जो व्हाट इज इन कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड ऑल, दैट इज द मोस्ट स्टेबिलिटी इज देयर. क्या मैंने बताया था पहले? इट इज इन बैलेंस बिटवीन इनपुट आउटपुट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड बायोजियोकेमिकल साइकिल इन स्टेबल कंडीशंस, in which there will be high amount of input of energy, in which there is a high amount of output of energy, and biogeochemical cycle is taking place, that is known as a complex stability, in which there is an input of energy and an output of energy is less, that is known as, just tell me, simple. Understood it? Biodiversity will be less. I said that natural ecosystem by homeostasis. आपको ये पता है कि every animal has what try to what is an adjust themselves in a changing environment by maintaining their what is an body temperature, yes or no, and then thermoregulation, osmoregulation, conformation, yes, they try to what is an adjust with the environment. So I said that natural ecosystem by homeostasis is inbuilt self-regulating mechanism. तो natural selection किस पे डिपेंड करता है? जो अभी हमने देखा कि हम लोग अपने अंदर में क्या कर रहे हैं? टेम्परेचर को मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. वी आर आल्सो मेंटेनिंग द व्हाट इज ना, बिना मरे वी हैव टू आल्सो मेंटेन आवर व्हाट इज ना ऑस्मोसिस, एंड वी हैव टू आल्सो मेंटेन आवर मेटाबॉलिज्म. जैसे अभी मैंने बोला कि यदि पानी कम मिलेगा, विल बी एबल टू गेट लेस फूड वन टाइम, सडनली स्लोली एंड स्लोली आवर स्टमक विल बिकम लाइक दिस. Yes, because it will be in a kind of what it is in a natural selection, and the natural selection में homeostasis, लेकिन we have to maintain the body of what temperature, osmosis regulation and all, and then we will do like this. Understood? So again I said that ये क्या है? It is in stability, in ecosystem stability. We'll have to talk about input and output of energy and biogeochemical cycles, material cycles. Yes or no? Nitrogen cycle and biogeochemical cycle, that nutrient cycle. इसमें नाइट्रोजन साइकिल, कार्बन साइकिल, एंड देन सल्फर साइकिल, फास्फोरस साइकिल, दीज आर द साइकिल्स आर देयर इन विच इट इज हैपनिंग. एंड उसके बाद हमने क्या देखा? इफ इंसेक्ट्स पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेज रैपिडली, फूड सप्लाई डिक्रीजेस. सपोज किसी रीजन में जब इकोसिस्टम में कुछ बदलाव हो रहा है, तो insect population suppose increases rapidly and food supply decreases rapidly, that leads to the competition, insects die of starvation and population restored to the normal. दोबारा अपने आप को कोई ना कोई population उसमें से कोई बच जाएगा. अभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कभी आपने देखा है, बाद में आगे देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, we started what is na sprinkling the pesticide. अब जो पेस्ट जो आ रहे हैं, they are it is what more stronger, and we have to make more stronger pesticide. Now every time we are making the pesticide quality to be what is an enhancing, and percentage of chemical is increasing, क्योंकि pesticides are also creating their resilience and they are able to survive and they are stable. If the particular ecosystem is survivable, it is unstable, तो उसको ख़त्म करना आसान नहीं है. It is not easy. कहीं ना कहीं बच जाते हैं. तो हम लोग कौन सा देखेंगे? I said that if insect population increases rapidly and food supply decreases rapidly, this lead to the competition and insect die of starvation, but population restore to the normal. कैसे देखेंगे अब? Generally requires oscillation stability, stability resistance, resolution stability, elasticity stability, and cyclical stability. This concept was oscillation. It refers to the constancy of species within a natural ecosystem. मतलब वो स्पेसिस फिनिश नहीं हो सकता है, दैट इट विल रिमेन कॉन्स्टेंटली लिव, इट विल नॉट फिनिश, दैट स्पेसिस विल कॉन्स्टेंटली लिव इन द इकोसिस्टम और इन द आई सेड दैट ऑन द अर्थ, दैट इज नोन एज विच आई सेड दैट स्टेबिलिटी ऑसिलेशन. उसमें थोड़ा बहुत कम ऊपर होता रहेगा. आई सेड दैट दिस कंसेप्ट लाइक, पहले ध्यान में देखें डनबार, इट रेफर्स इन ए कॉन्स्टेंसी ऑफ स्पेसिस within the natural ecosystem. Possibly there is a change in the numbers. Numbers are changing, but they are constantly in the ecosystem. Constantly in the ecosystem. That is known as oscillation. somewhere high then decreased then again high then decreased. और ये हम लोग किस में देखते हैं? We can give an example. Suppose we are what is na through the pesticide, what is na decreasing the population of what I said that pest, but some pest survival led to the again coming of the insects or pest into the cropping or agricultural zone. Again we are putting and then again it is coming. So it is known as I said that oscillation stability. और भी देखेंगे. Stability resistance, it is the ability of an ecosystem to withstand changes of external factor. सबसे बेस्ट है. आप रेसिस्टेंस करते हो, स्टेबिलिटी में रेसिस्टेंस है आपके पास, ठीक है. एंड देन वन एग्जांपल आई सेड दैट फेमस शार्क फिश, whatever the external factors is changing, but they are able to maintain. That is known as I said that they are able to withstand. An ecosystem or a species is able to withstand. An ecosystem or a group of species able to withstand even the external factor changes. It is known as I said that stability resistance. This two are clear or not? Which are the two? First one I said that oscillation stability. Who has given this? Dunbar, R.C. Dunbar, M.J. Dunbar, and it refers to a constancy of a species within the natural ecosystem. Stability resistance is in a group of species or an ecosystem. I said that they are able to exist even against the what? External factor. Understood? Resilience stability, it is an ability of an ecosystem to adjust the stresses in the environment. यहाँ पे दोनों में क्या है? What is the difference between external change in the external factor and stresses in the environment? Fast. Equilibrium means equilibrium to non-equilibrium, then non-equilibrium to equilibrium. I said that stresses in the environment. If I said that external factor changes का मतलब है यहाँ पे large scale external factor changes. Understood? And if I am saying stresses in the environment, it is in a small level of changes in the external factor, a small level of changes. And maybe I said that some kind of, I said that increase of particular species affecting you. Yes, some species which has been grown. So it is in a change in the what? Intensity of what? Outside factor which is helping. If I said that temperature of the whole earth system is changing, and in that one those who are able to survive, that is known as a stability resistance. But it is smaller level, some changes is taking place, that is known as I said that stresses in the environment. Stresses in the environment. Understood? So I can say like I said resilience stability. तो आप उसके अगेंस्ट थोड़ा चीजें चेंजेस हो जाती हैं, then you trying to what is a smaller level changes in the external factors, then you try to resilient. अभी हम लोग resilient type कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे हैं? Sea level is rising up or not? At the coastal region, when the sea level is rising, the sum of the ecosystem must be putting what? Resilience. लेकिन यदि एक big sudden change होगा and ices will come, that time who is going to what is gonna put in resistance and they are able to survive, that is known as I said that stability resistance. And those who are right now doing it is in stresses in the environment, that is known as I said that resilience stability. I said that समझ में आ रहा है? When the sea level is rising under the global warming and then we are trying to change, it is known as what? Stresses in the environment. But I said that external factor changes. If the climate change, like I said, ice comes and those who are able to survive, that is known as what? Stability resistance. Understood? Another I said that elasticity stability, it refers to the ability of an ecosystem to establish stability after large scale disturbance. Forest fire. If I said that forest fire has been taken place in the large scale, then I said it is the ability of an ecosystem to establish stability after large scale disturbance. समझ में आया? That is known as a elasticity. आप उसको कुछ भी कर लो, again it will come back. Understood? Forest fire. Like I said that California, state of USA, every time you will see there is a forest fire is there, but the forests are again coming back. And cyclical stability, it refers to the stability to adjust in a regular external change. तो regular external change, कहाँ पे regular external changes होंगे? It refers to the ability of a system to adjust regular external changes. Yes. El Nino, La Nina. Peruvian coast पे आप क्या देखते हैं? What you are saying? After a certain period of times there is a warm current and thereafter there is a cold current comes. Yes. That area में what is happening? In that area in the Peruvian coast?